Good morning, everyone. My name is Sharon Yan, and I will be moderating this session of the Peer Bridge Program. I'm with Caltrans Division of Research and Innovation. Um, through the Bridge Program, I work closely with Professor Masalam and Anna Manaf, and also my colleagues here at Caltrans to develop and really push out various research projects for Caltrans each year. Just a little background on the Peer Bridge program. So the program is established like a bridge research program established by Caltrans about a year and a half ago. And this program is really established mainly to advance our current design practices and standards, and really better to streamline the developing and the contracting process of our research projects to be more efficient, and of course to take advantage of the broad member network here at the peer, and also really take advantage of all the insights and knowledge among the research committee. Um, so for at Caltrans, our research cycle starts in fall each year, and typically our research come out initially as some sort of problem statements based on our needs at the time. And however, of course, we're always very interested to learn about new findings and innovative ideas out there. As Professor Masalam listed earlier, we have 7 topics of interest under this program. In general terms, these topics basically covers anything bridge related from A to Z. If you are interested and to know a little bit more about this program, you can talk to any one of us or just go into the peer website for more information. For the projects under this session, they are all funded under this bridge program for Caltrans, and they are at its various stage of progress and development. So our first speaker is Professor Halid Masalam. He is also my professor at UC Berkeley. He'll be talking about our Bridge Assessment Center for Extreme Events on California instrumented bridges.